idea of this video is to demystify the diatonic modes by showing them in one key, the key of C. This is quite an easy one to demonstrate them on, as all the notes go from C to C with no sharps or flats, so it goes C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So you can think of it as the white notes on the keyboard. So the 8 notes go from C to C, as I said, with no sharps or flats in. So on guitar, if you start on the 8th fret, we're going to show you the C major scale or the C Ionian. So how I remember this is I use fingering patterns. So you think about the one you start on. So obviously you've got 4 fingers, so 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, unsurprisingly. So 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. That's 1 octave. 2 octave. 1, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2. And then descending, it's obviously so that's the C Ionian scale. So if we move that up, we start on the next note of the scale, which is the D, and that's called the D Dorian scale. So there's a different fingering pattern for this, which you'll need to learn, which goes like this, starting on the 10th and the 1st finger. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3. Notice the position shift back to the 9th. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. Back up to the 10th. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And then back down. So that's the D Dorian. And then moving up, it's E Phrygian. So, starting on the 12th with the 1st finger, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, and then back down. So that's E Phrygian, and then F Lydian. Now this is quite similar in that before an E Phrygian we went from E to E, so that's the 12th on the low E and the 12th on the high E, and now we're going from F, which is the 13th on the low E, to the 13th on the high E. So this sounds... Now Lydian mode is one that's used by people like Steve Vai extensively, so it can be thought of as a major scale, which i.e. the Ionian mode, with a raised 4th. So obviously a 4th being the 4th note of the scale. So if we were to play an F major scale, if you raise the 4th, 1, 2, 3, and instead of playing the B flat, you play B. So to get back to the actual fingering pattern, is we start on the F, so it's 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2. Okay, so that's F Lydian. Now, G Mixolydian, I'm going to shift down to the 3rd. So obviously the 3rd and the 15th are the same, because when we get to 12 it starts again. So just for ease of showing you, I'm going to go back down to here. So well, the G Mixolydian scale can be played like this. 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1. Notice on the B string the position shift up a semitone. So descending, so A Aeolian, or the natural A natural minor scale, starts on A. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. So notice the position shift back down to the 4th fret. So let's try that again. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3. Back down to the 4th. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 4. Now the last one is B Locrian, which hardly anybody uses, but it can be thought of as, remember the C major scale, the C Ionian, because we're back up here again. Instead, start on the B. So instead of going from C to C, go from B to B. Basically, these notes can be harmonized into chords. So, as we mentioned before, we've got C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So, C can be harmonized into C major. Let's get a nicer tone. So that's C major. And then D can be harmonized into D minor. E harmonized into E minor 7. F into F major. G into G7. A into A minor. B into B minor 7th with a flattened 5th, or B diminished 7, and then back to C again. So C, D minor, E minor 7, F, G7, A minor, B minor 7 with a flattened 5th. Okay, so that's the end of this video. So hopefully it's been useful and you have understood the modes, how they can be used, how to harmonise the chord shapes, and how you can transpose them into other keys. So hopefully you can take this on into your lead playing and your songwriting. Okay, thanks very much. So if you like this video, please subscribe to any future ones, and keep playing. Thanks a lot.